Want to share your Canva design straight to Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok without the hassle of downloading and re-uploading? You're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to post directly from Canva in just a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, open the design you'd like to share inside Canva. Once your design is ready, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Click that. This is your gateway to publishing your designs across different social media platforms. A menu will pop up showing several options. Click See All to open the full list of sharing destinations. Canva gives you a variety of choices here, from email and links to direct posting on social media, all in one convenient place. Now, scroll down until you reach the social section. You'll notice options for Instagram, Facebook, and even TikTok if it's connected. For this example, let's choose Instagram. After selecting it, you'll see a prompt that says immediately post. If you're ready to share your design right away, this is the option you'll want. Click it, and Canva will start guiding you through the posting steps. Then, hit Continue to confirm your setup. Canva will check that everything is connected correctly, your accounts, permissions, and post details, before moving forward. If you're using Canva's mobile app, there's also a super convenient option to scan a QR code. This lets you post directly from your phone, which is perfect if you prefer managing your social media on mobile. Not quite ready to post yet? Canva also lets you schedule your posts, a powerful feature for creators who plan content ahead of time. You can choose the exact date and time you want your design to go live, helping you stay consistent without needing to be online at that moment. Once you've set your schedule, click Continue to finalize your post. One quick but important note. If you want to post on Instagram and connect it to Facebook through Canva, your Instagram account needs to be a business account. You can switch this easily in your Instagram settings, and it allows Canva to integrate smoothly with your Facebook page for a seamless posting experience. And that's it. You've just learned how to post your Canva designs directly to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, quickly, efficiently, and without any unnecessary downloads. Whether you prefer posting instantly or scheduling for later, Canva makes it simple to showcase your creativity to the world. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and design hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.